y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am super excited because I just got an order in from scrapbook.com and I thought I would unbox it for you. I know I've had a lot of unboxings lately. I tend to buy things in like flurries and then I'll just chill out for a little while. I needed to order from scrapbook.com because I was looking for a new art journal because I have officially finished my previous art journal and I have a flip through that is coming up soon. So that's something to look forward to. So I was ordering a new art journal and then I was taking a look at some of the things that I've been looking for that were back in stock. So I pulled or added those things to my cart, and then I started looking at Christmas items, and I chose a new direction for December daily this year that I am pretty excited about. And I went ahead and ordered all the items because I know that Christmas items tend to sell out. And with shipping and production and everything being behind, I wanted to go ahead and order. So I will link everything that I ordered down below. Heads up, those are affiliate links. It does not cost you anymore, but it does go a long way to helping this channel. If you are thinking of ordering some Christmas items, I would go ahead and do that so that you have all of your stuff in time and making sure it's in stock. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from scrapbook.com, let's go. All right, so let's jump in. Here is my Christmas album for this year. I decided to go with Vicki Boutin's Warm Wishes line for Christmas. And this is a 6x8 album. It has some page protectors that come in it. I also have some page protectors left over from previous December dailies that I plan to use. And this is an absolutely gorgeous album. Let me just kind of take this off, sorry for that noise, so that you can see it has music notes on the front. I love the colors, kind of like a soft green. I thought that this would be beautiful. I love that it has the protectors on the corners. I'm super excited to kind of go with Vicki Boutin's line. So this will be my December daily album. And then along with that, let me show you what I picked up. And I will do a flip through and kind of open up some of this Christmas stuff at the end once I have a little bit more room. But I picked up several things from her line. I don't want December daily to be very complicated. December is a busy month. I don't like to do it afterwards. I like to do it during the month. And so sticking with one line plus the supplies that I have left over is going to help me simplify. So I picked up 2 of the sets of embellishments. This one is mostly tags, so it has embellishment, warm wishes. I'll kind of open this up later, but I bought the tag set, and then this one is a lot of different ornaments, some different pieces, tons of different embellishments, kind of like a traditional Christmas feel, which I totally dig, but it has some pops of some pink, which I also really like. And then I also picked up the thicker sets that goes with it. But what I like about these, they are not super thick. So these are thickers, but I feel like they're like half thickers, if that makes sense. And I just love the writing. I think these will come in super handy. And then I went ahead and bought the 24 sheets. It's double-sided, and this is going to be really helpful. And I will flip through this in just a few minutes after we check out everything else that is in this box. Here it is. This is my new art journal, and I'm super excited. So this is the Dilutions journal. Let me just take, how's this open? Okay. How do we do this? Okay, let me just open it up. Look at how beautiful. Okay, it has an envelope in the front for all the collage pieces that I'm wanting to save and definitely use. The pages are slightly off white. They're kind of like manila, maybe. It's a little, maybe lighter than manila, but there's a ton of pages in here. My plan is to not go super dimensional in this, but look how big those double page layouts can be. It lays flat when you open it, which is fantastic. I did go ahead and get the bigger size just because that's what I was used to, and I just wanted something a little bit more traditional than the Dina Wakley Media art journal that I just finished up. So I am super excited. Super smooth paper, pretty thick. It's going to hold up to my mixed media. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun to work in. I'm pretty darn excited. So this is the Dilutions Creative Journal. I went back and forth because I was really considering the Dialogue set, which is a series of traveler's notebooks. And I thought that those would be really fun. And I may still pick those up during the year just as an alternative to doing a super big spread. But I think this one is going to be a lot of fun. So this will be my new art journal. Okay, a few other items. There is a Distress Oxide that is relatively new that I did not have. And so I went ahead and picked up the ink. It is called Prize Ribbon. And then I picked up the Distress Oxide spray because I love having the sprays as well. So I wanted to pick those up. I have the complete Distress Oxide ink collection. And so when I saw that there was a new one that I was missing, I knew I needed to just throw it in my cart. Again, when I'm going to order from scrapbook.com and have to pay the shipping and things anyway, then I try to go ahead and make the order worth it. So I kind of keep things in my wish list or in my cart and then tend to make one big order. So I picked those up. And then I've been waiting for Vicki Boutin's Color Study line to come back in stock. And there's still some pieces, like I want more of the ephemera because I love it. And I would probably pick up another notepad, like a 12 by 12 paper pad when it's back in stock. But I went ahead and picked up the washi tape because I'm obsessed with these colored pencil washi. I think it is so cute and I just love the blue as well. So this is some fun washi tape. Again, the Color Study line, probably my favorite scrapbooking line ever. It is so beautiful. It is so me. I'm obsessed with it. So I picked up the washi tape. Then I also picked up some stickers that I did not get first time around. So here is the larger 6x12 sticker sheet, front and back. These are on paper and I love the hollow details, the holographic details. These are so pretty. Oh, this is going to be so great for memory keeping. I know I've been using a lot of Vicki Boutin in my memory keeping and I'm going to be unapologetically using it again just because I love it. And then this is the sticker book. So this one has how many sheets in it? 171 stickers, 6 sheets of stickers. So front and back here. And there's just some great stickers. I love it. So good. And of course, I love stickers. They're so beautiful. These are going to be pretty in a planner, I think. I think I could totally do a planner spread with these stickers. And then a morning journaling spread. Like, are you kidding me? This is totally meant for my morning journaling time. So I picked up a few things from that line as well. Okay, I want to show you a little bit more in detail this Vicki Boutin Warm Wishes line that I picked up. Here is my album. Love the gold detail. It comes with some paper. So look how cute. Let me open this. These are like inserts that you can use. There's already a December calendar. Oh, I love it. And then you can list out your days of December daily, Christmas list. See, these are going to make it really easy to put together this album. Even a currently page, December calendar, a closer look at today. Oh, that's nice. Like a zooming in on a certain day. Love the holly. And these will be fun to embellish, to use as dividers, checklists. That's cute. Oh, I love the line pages with that. That's beautiful. Loving, remember my favorite, and then check it twice. So a few different lists, which is kind of nice. And then it also comes with page protectors, and they are divided up differently. So you have some 4x4 page protectors. Looks like you have 4 of those. You have some that are 2x1. So you have 2 3x4s and then 1 4x6. You have 4 of those, and then you have some that are 4x6 on top, 4x6 on the bottom, some of those, and then a couple that are a full page. So these are going to work out so well. I actually didn't know that it came with these papers on the inside, and that's going to be awesome. So that is the album. Let me show you the embellishments. Okay, this is the first embellishment pack. This one has 50 pieces, so a bunch. And you can see that it's a little bit more your traditional Christmas. Oh, look at the little paper clip with the little mouse. It's a traditional Christmas feel, which I am digging. Oh, look at those, are cute with the presents. And plus I just love the handwriting. Deck the halls, Coco, and it's all going to work together so well, which is always really nice. It makes scrapbooking Christmas especially a lot easier. If you are participating in December Daily, if you just choose one line to work with, like one scrapbooking line, maybe two that kind of go together. You know, I always have stuff left over, so I definitely have Felicity Jane pieces. I've done Felicity Jane for the past 2 December dailies, and I love, love, love Felicity Jane, but I wanted to change it up and try something a little bit different this year. This was honestly a little bit more affordable than buying the Felicity Jane Christmas kits. Look at that tree. That's pretty. Oh, in the wreath. This was more affordable for me, so I thought this would be a great option. And then, oh, I love that. And I just dug the colors. A more traditional look. Look at this one opens with the door. That's super cute. And these open. Oh, it's so fun. Stockings for my 3 kiddos. That'll be perfect. I love all the florals too. And then kind of up close stockings with the mouse in it. That one is so cute. I know I'm going through these fast. There's 50 pieces in here. So they are going to be, I'm going to be able to use them. Like I don't have to hoard. Oh, that's pretty. I don't have to hoard them, which is also super nice. So that is the first ephemera pack. And then this one is mostly tags and journaling cards. So let me open this up. Let's check this one out. This one has some foil accents, which I thought was nice. Special delivery, some different tabs, wish list. So I like how that one's cut out. That's cute. Shopping list, night before Christmas. Hello December. That's super cute. Got your 25, making spirits bright. Beautiful. Look at all of, oh, that's pretty for journaling. I like having these little journaling spots. That's nice. Ho, ho, ho. Winter Wonderland. Super pretty. Oh, I like the foiling. Rejoice, more tabs, Christmas Countdown, Merry, 25th of December, 'tis the season. And then some larger pieces in here. So Deck the Halls, Dear Santa, Define Good. I'm totally going to put that with a picture of my boys. 100%. Today's date. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, I want to recreate this, but on a bigger page. That's really pretty. Trimming the Tree. Christmas. Here we come a caroling. Oh, these kind of come apart. Oh, I like those. Look at this. That's pretty. Spreading holiday cheer. Merry everything. Making a list. Holly Jolly. These are super cute. Look at the little bingo. 12 Days of Christmas. Details. Another joining spot. Tag. That's cute. Okay, so that is a ton of ephemera and journaling pieces that I will be able to use. And then let me show you a flip through of the paper. Okay, so here's the Warm Wishes paper pad. It has 24 sheets and they are double-sided. This gorgeous wreath. I think that'd be really fun to cut out. And then the back is, I love the mixed media feel on the back. It's very Vicki Boutin. Definitely her style. Red polka dots. This is beautiful with the words believe, twinkle, sparkle, and see this pop of jade I think is really interesting. And then holly there on the back. Then you have some poinsettias, this very traditional look, but I like the layering that you can see. And then this one's pretty. Kind of looks like snow in the background. That's very pretty with the mixed media edges. Look at these ornaments. Odds are I will be cutting these out because those are beautiful. And then a beautiful red floral on the back. Then you have snow with this like brighter green. I'm liking that kind of surprise pop. And then the traditional greens and a plaid on the back. This one looks like a bunch of washi strips. That is really pretty. And the back has some smaller words. These say, building a snowman, wonderful time, family and friends, merry everything and happy always. A ton of words. Those are beautiful. Then you have pine cones and pine tree branches. That's beautiful. This is kind of a snowflake look on the back. Again, all the roughed edges, so pretty. Stockings are adorable, even the little mouse. Oh, how cute. There's only one little mouse right there. Oh, I love that. And then green stripes on the back. Then you have this large poinsettia in the corners. Title, really easy to put together a page. Even if you're cutting it down, having the title like cut here, that's still perfect. It'll still be beautiful. And then a beautiful look on the back with the red berries. And then tags. So this is a cut apart sheet. Again, I love the mouse. He's my favorite. The weather outside. Here's your little Christmas countdown. And in the back you have a pine tree branch. And I love the grid. That's really pretty too. And then a 3x4 cut apart sheet. Happy and Merry Days, hot cocoa. That's super pretty. I love that. And the back is this polka dot bubble kind of confetti look. And then you have 4x6 cards. So these really work out nicely when you're putting together your album, when they're, you can just cut these and use them right away. And then the back, I'm kind of obsessed with. This is one of my favorites, the black with the stars. And then it repeats. So you get 2 of each paper, so you don't have to choose between the sides. So if you love, for instance, I love this, but I also want to use these. So I can kind of pick and choose what I'm doing. So that is the paper pad. All right, so this is my scrapbook.com haul. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to jump into this art journal. And this has me pumped to do December daily. I usually start preparing for it in November, but at least now I know I have all my supplies and I will be ready to go. Let me know what your favorite item is that I picked up. I love to hear y'all's opinions. Again, I did link everything down below if you're interested in checking out any of these items. Make sure to check out those links. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day. And as always, keep it creative.